I'm not sure the actual date it started. At one point, it was an outdoor pool that they'd built. In fact, there was another one, I believe, behind us that they covered up at a different time. 35 years ago in 1990, they decided to enclose it, put up a shell. Yeah, it was a panel system. There were sliding doors on top. There were panels up on the front and back entrance. There were some windows. After 30 years, it had yellowed. So even on the brightest day, it was kind of, the light felt dingy, if that made sense. The new lights just cleaned it up. You can sit in there and feel like you're indoors in an outdoor space or outdoors in an indoor space, as the case may be.
I love it. Very bright, and everybody else loves it. People come in and very pleased with it. There was a comment this morning about a lady's friend saying how dirty it was in here and that she didn't like coming in, but her friend is going to go tell her it's so pleasant in here and clean and looks wonderful.
We'd had a hailstorm back in 23, I believe, 2 years ago, basically. So we started working through the process of getting it fixed. And when we say hailstorm, we're baseball-size hail. It was the big stuff. The roof had held up through all the other ones we have because we tend to have them every spring. Then we also took some of our lower panels that we had in there and replaced them with windows. So we'd have not a 360 degrees of windows, but pretty close. You can be anywhere. We're going to set some picnic tables out back to where some families can now look through a window and watch their kids swim or swim practice and things along those lines.
This is much better. We don't have all the water that came in from the rain and the snow, and yes, it's much better.
They completed, we were open, within 8 weeks. Expectations were met.
During the day, we don't have to turn on the lights. We leave 2 on at all times, so we can see even at night, when everybody's gone. We don't have to use the lights, until it does get dark outside, so even on a cloudy day.
Everyone likes the brighter areas. And of course, going with that, it also let us put in some new benches, some new things, just to make the whole situation a better, brighter place.